Okay, we have only few here. Never mind. We will just start whatever we have here first. Okay. Let me share my screen with you. Here. Okay. Okay, here lah. Okay, not here yet. Okay. All right. I was skipped all this. Okay, I think you are sick of me repeating all this. Okay. If for those who have learned this average, you must have watched your lesson 46. Then you must be able to answer the questions. For those who have not done, please key in quickly. Later I will check. And then we are learning about average. Now we always do this. When total is given, when average is given, we always find the what? Total. Okay. Whenever total is given, they always find average. Always one. Okay, without fail, Thank you, Marisa. Okay, let me, and okay, I want to do this one. Okay, I just show you the slide, what I want to cover first. These are the big ideas lah. All right. Marisa, okay. Marisa, I didn't see yours. Sorry, I didn't. Probably you have to check again. Do you key enter or not? Very important. Ah, but you didn't attempt, here say. Okay, just text you a message, Okay, show you this thing, I show you, then you understand what is, Oh, okay. All right. Okay, can. System already done. Correct. Okay. All right. So what is the big idea of this average? Average is actually with the set of the given data. Now, if you were to arrange them in an order, that means from the smallest to the biggest, so the set of data will give you a wide range. Okay. So in order to find the average, that means if you were to iron them up into like nice number, then if each of them will be having the same value, then the average is the total value of the data being added together, divided by the number of data that you have. Okay, so it is based on the same data lah. And then to find average, this is the formula. It's the total amount of the data given to you lah. That means all the value being added, then divide by the number of data. Okay, usually like that. Just now I have mentioned, when you are given the total, okay, usually you're asked to find average. When you're given the average, usually they will ask you for the total. All right. Okay, so let's start for today's slide number 1 question. Okay. Let's start. All right, for those who didn't get it correct and those who are not done, please follow through the lessons very closely, okay? First question says that during the donation drive, Madeline and the 3 sisters collected $6,832 in 4 days. And what was the average amount for each of them collected in 1 day? So in total, there are 4 days. And mind you, not only 4 days, there are how many people in all? There are four children. Okay, where are the 4 children? Madeline and the 3 sisters. So if you were to find each of them, you must find the number of the sisters, which is 4. If you want to find them in a day, then you probably have to divide them again by 4 days. All right, so you will have 6,000 832 divided by 4 days first. Okay, then you get each day. So this is the answer for each day. All right. Then after that, for the person, if you have this, then you divide by the 4 girls. Okay. Then you will have the answer for each girl. Okay, so this is meant for each day first. From here, you will have each girl. Okay, so if you have your calculator, yeah, we'll get 1708 here. Divide by another 4, you get 427. Okay. Right? Okay, number 2, second one. The average mass of a lion, you see, given average, what must you do? When you're given average, they usually ask you to find the total first before you can proceed. So the lion's mass is 43 more than the cheetah. So in the first place, do we know what is the total for both of them? You don't know. To find the total, you use 141 multiplied by 2. Why? Because the two animals being the average of 141, the total will be 282 here. Okay. So if you were to use model to draw and then show your understanding, you will show that there's a model, right? Meant for who? Meant for lion, who is more than cheetah. Okay, so this is lion, this is cheetah, and this is meant for the excess, which is 43 kilogram. And what is the total for both of them here? The total is the one that you have already found here, 282. You must find the total and put it here. So remember this method we mentioned, we have learned this much earlier. Okay, this is called the SS box, where I want to minus this. Okay, get rid of this. So first thing first, 282 must be minus away my 43. Okay, or you want to add 43 also can. Why 43? So that you can have this thing called what? This thing called top up the extra box, right? Because this is also 43. Okay, so there are many ways you can do it. So if you plus 43, that will be more convenient because you are finding the lion. Then you get 325. 325. 325. So 325 is for the two whole unit already. But if in order to find one, what must you do? Divide by 2. And then you get down to 162.5. Okay? 162.5. Yeah. Next question. Okay. The total height for 5 men, 7 women is this. So you see, this is already given to you as a total height for how many people? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 people here. And the average height of the 5 men, average height is 137. So with the average, what can you do? Find the total height of who? 5 men. How to find them? You have their average to find total multiply by 5. And that you get 685. Okay? Now, if you have the 5 men here, how are you going to find the total height for the 7 women? We can use the 1,798 minus 685. Okay? That will give you 1113. And this is meant for 7 women. So in order to find the average height of each woman, you just need to divide them by 7. That's all you need to do. Okay? That should give you to 159. Okay? Next question, number 4. Okay? Just to check, is everything okay here? Sean, hi. Hello, Sean.
Hi.
Can you? Yes, yeah, welcome to our math class. Just to check with you, do you have your video camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, please, can you help to switch on?
Okay. Really?
Yeah, yeah, sure. It's compulsory for us to, yeah, have that. Yeah, thank you, Gerald, for the response. Yeah, okay, height of the four. Wow, what is this? The response is meant for number what? So fast, ah? Why you type so fast? Huh? Okay. I haven't started reading. You have gotten the steps. Thank you anyway. Okay. So the average height of the 3 boys is 61. So since this is the average, so what we need to do is to find I get to the wrong page, is it? It should be at the other one. Yeah. The average height of the 3 boys is 61 centimeter. So this 61 belongs to the each, right? So as usual, when they give you average, you must always find the total. And total what? Height of how many boys? 3 boys. So how to find the 3 boys? Because you are given each one. So you multiply them by 3. 61 divided times 3, you will get 183. Okay? And then another information says the average height of the 4 boys. Okay? So then, again, there's nothing else you can do. So you find the total height of the 4 boys, which will give you 78 multiplied by 4. So 78 multiplied by 4 will give you 313. So with 312, what can you do now? The question asking you for the what? For the 4th boy. Let me check where's the 4th boy. Okay, where you get the 4th boy? You have the total height for 3 boys. You have the total height for the 4 boys. So that means to say, okay, for example, I'm going to show you. So this is the height for the 3 boys. Of course, the height for the 4 boys will be longer, right? Okay, so when this is 3 boys, this is 4 boys. So this is the boy that has newly joined. So this is the 4th one, where this is the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd boy inside, which a total of 183 if you look at it. So in order to find the 4th boy, what can you do? And 312 is mainly here. Okay, just to check your understanding. 312. So in order to find the 4th one, you need to minus using 312, 312 and 183. Okay. Purple. Okay. So height for the 4th boy, 312 minus 183. Get 129 cm. Okay. So far, okay, all right. Now, reminder to all of you, okay, every question you do after at the end of it, who can tell me what is always reminded for you to do during exam? For example, this one, let me use this. Getting down to the answer, always check your ANS. Why do you need to check? Do you know why? Because of the units. Make sure when this is title, this is dollar, you must also be a dollar. Okay, because sometimes they'll trick you into conversion, ask you to do conversion where you didn't even read carefully. Okay, so I remind you. Now look at second question. When you have your answer,